Hi everyone, it's Rob Watson, the module leader for TECH3501, and this is the overview video summary for the 24th lecture. That's it, that's the end, this is the last one. You've survived. You've gone from communication arts students in year one, and now you're hopefully and soon to be graduates in a few weeks' time. Bit of work to get out of the way first though, but I'm sure we can make that as pleasant an experience pleasant as an experience as possible. What I want to do in this lecture is really just kind of use the opportunity actually to reflect on what we've considered and thought about over the year, and how we understand the framework of evaluation for community media that the C4D and other frameworks offer, and how an evaluative approach can be applied to examples of different forms of community media. So what I want to do with this one is kind of just really kind of give us an overview of some online source material, some videos, so that we can discuss any issues that are kind of relevant to the process, which you can feed into your report. This, of course, gives us the opportunity to think about what is going to be offered as topics within the expo. So it's one of those sessions where we've done the hard work. So this is an opportunity for us to share experiences and discuss ideas and think about how and why this kind of ongoing sense of development practice that community media represents is, and what are the next steps, and we can do a bit of reflecting on that idea of the structure of what we've considered this year, and how we might apply that in other circumstances in different situations. Because I think one of the valuable things in this process is this really isn't just about applying what we learn here to community media, as important as that is, but what are the lessons that we can use to take and to spread and to incorporate into other forms of working practice and to other forms of learning, and to really kind of think about what the key objectives are in terms of how we would facilitate and support a more engaged, participative, grassroots, locally defined form of media and evaluation practice as well. So I suppose kind of if we're thinking about what is the notion of community media leadership, the idea is that we understand what the objectives are, and we understand how we can collect information in a non-intrusive way, and as a trusted guide, if you like, for re-evaluation of how we might do things in the future, based on practical experience and those things that are relevant to the people that are involved in the participative situation themselves. And that can be quite a challenge, actually. That is kind of that inside-out kind of approach. There's lots of organisations that still insist on bringing external experts in and management consultants to advise about how a system should be operated, and they make the categorical mistake of not drawing on the inherent and tacit expertise that is built up and accumulated as a kind of a source of wisdom and knowledge within an organisation or a community, and to come in as an external agent and to try and impose a set of views and practices which are based on your own ideologies, if you like, is that's what this approach pushes back against. So we'll look at some video examples, and we'll throw around some questions, and we'll think about how you're going to present your work in the expo, what it is that you're going to be saying, and what the kind of strength of the evaluative model is that will be driving that, in order for you to be able to lead on these issues in the future. So the notes for this are up on the DMU Commons wiki. Just go to wiki.our.dmu.ac.uk. As usual, if you wish to add anything, share anything, contribute any kind of form of discussion or examples, head over to Talk. That's at DMU Talk. That's at talk.our.dmu.ac.uk. But well done for getting this far. Only a few more weeks to go, and then you'll find out what your results are. So fingers crossed, and we'll see you on the other side.